Dandelion Club. Today's topic is simple question answers. It's a dialogue between Uncle Max and Little Jane. Uncle Max, hello, how are you? Jane, hi, I'm good, thank you. Uncle Max, what is your name? Jane, I'm Jane, or my name is Jane. Uncle Max, how old are you? Jane, I'm 4, or I'm 4 years old. Uncle Max, do you go to school? Jane, not yet, but I study at home. Uncle Max, that's good. What do you study? Jane, mostly English. Uncle Max, so you like English? Jane, yes, very much. Uncle Max, what specifically? Jane, alphabets, their sounds, and how to write them. Uncle Max, good. Can you write English alphabets? Jane, yes, most of them. Uncle Max, do you know how each alphabet sounds? Jane, I'm working on it. Uncle Max, who teaches you at home? Jane, mostly Mama, but Dad also helps me. Uncle Max, wow, it's good to talk to you. You're such a hard-working kid. Jane, thank you, Uncle. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.